Hey guys, today is 20th of October 2015 and I took a trade on HOG, HOG, which is Harley Davidson. I sold 200 shares of HOG at the price of $49.61 at about 9:45 Eastern Standard Time, and I covered my short at $49.31 at about 10:28 Eastern Standard Time. So I made a profit less than 1%. Now, as in my previous videos, I have shown you my different charts. This time I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you 2 to 3 charts. So this is my daily chart here. As you can see that Harley Davidson gapped down, which is always a positive for me. So I took the trade. It had a good volume in the morning. Let me take you to my 5-minute chart here. And this is the chart that I trade off. As you can see here, I sold 200 shares of HOG at the price of $49.61, which is here. And I covered my short here. You can see the arrow down here at $49.31. Now my stop loss is always 5% when I'm short selling. And my profit target was way down. You can't see it. And it is always 10%. After I sold shares of HOG, the stock started consolidating. In my previous trading, I have noticed that whenever there is a consolidation, now these are my charts that I'm talking about, I have noticed that whenever there's a consolidation, the stock does not trade in the same direction. So that thing was on my mind, and also the name Harley Davidson. Now let me tell you one thing, that I do not short sell or even go long on some of the reputed names like Apple, eBay, Twitter, Microsoft, Google. I do not trade on these stocks. I did on this one because as per my system, as per my trading plan, if there is a good volume, there's good momentum in the morning, and the first 3 candles are red, I would trade on the 4th candle. Everything looked good except that this is a big name. I saw this consolidation here. You can see that I have marked it with blue rectangle here, and I had this Harley Davidson on my mind, and I thought, I don't know what's going to happen. After I made this trade, I went and I looked at the fundamental side. I read the quarterly earnings weren't very good and they want to lay off some workers, but that was after I did the trade. I do not believe in fundamentals. I only go with price action, that's all. I don't have much time here. I just have 6 hours window. If this would have been any other company, probably I would have stayed in the game, and I'll show you what I would have done if I would have stayed in the game. As per my system, between 1 o'clock, which is somewhere here, to 1:30 is very critical. In my previous charts, I have seen that this time between 1 to 1:30 is really critical, and that's the time that I trail my stop loss. Now I haven't done this in the past, because either sometimes I would hit my profit or I would hit my stop loss or something like this happens, but it is part of my strategy that between 1 to 1:30 Eastern Time I have to trail my stop loss. So if I would have stayed in the game, I would have trailed my stop loss from this point, which is $52.09 to $47.54. While I'm in the trade, I do look at the volume. I do not look at RSI. Again, I don't. It just sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it does not make sense. I do have my breadth indicators and my internals here. Sometimes they make sense, sometimes they don't make sense. The only thing which makes sense to me when I am trading, and especially when I'm short selling, is price action. Are those my candles? So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.